What's up, guys? It's right here, Bull City Speed, bringing you another episode of
What's in the Box?
This is the show where I bring you a new product and open it and show you why you need it and why it's awesome and why I love it. And this week we're talking about a company called Heatwave Visual. Why am I talking about a sunglass company on a show that is pretty much dedicated to automotive? Well, these guys get it. They are definitely car guys for sure. They have a strong motorsports sponsorship program. They sponsor desert racers, some drift guys, and probably other guys out there that I don't even know about. I found out about them through some bunch of videos on YouTube. And I saw their logo placed in a few key locations, and man, I gotta tell you, their marketing got me. The video that I saw featured these glasses. These are the laser face shades from them. And this is not what we're here to talk about today, but I grew up a 90s kid, man. I had a rat tail followed by a mullet. I had line shaved in the side of my head. You know, I had the MC Hammer parachute pants, and gotcha shirts and body glove and ridiculous colors, and everything 90s was this guy. So when I saw these glasses and I kind of see this stuff is kind of making somewhat of a comeback, I got a little nostalgic and I had to have a pair. So jumped on their website, ordered these up. The rad part is you can customize glasses too on their website. You can pick the arms, the frames, the lens colors, everything in between. But what I was really super surprised on when I opened up the box is right here inside the arm it says ANSI Z80.3. That is a safety rating. That means these are safety glasses. These are impact resistant sunglasses. So they look rad, they back motorsports, and they're functional. It's a triple threat. It's a no-brainer. I had to have more. So I went on their website to get what's in this box, another pair of glasses to use here in the shop. When I was there, I got suckered into this hat. I'm a huge fan of Days of Thunder. I love it. Harry is probably one of my favorite characters, and I saw this hat, and that's all I could think of.
I'm gonna give you an engine, low to the ground, extra big oil pans will cut the wind from underneath you.
Right? It's one of the greatest scenes ever of all time. Love the hat. Anyway, what we're talking about today is what's in this box. Packaging looks fantastic. Gotta tell you, love it. But that's not what we're here to talk about. Inside here, you got some color pamphlet instructions on how to take care of your rad new glasses, a sack in which to put your protective equipment, and these. Bam. Safety glasses. These are awesome. I love them. It is Z87 rated. It's a step up above the laser face shades there. They are not fully encapsulated, so it's not splash proof per se, but they're functional as shatter resistant, impact resistant glasses. The lenses are completely permanently sealed in here. They won't pop out, so if something hits you in the face and the lens isn't gonna slam into your eyeball or anything like that, they're there, they're solid. They fit great. I feel like they look awesome. You know what I mean? I don't look like a complete nerd. I'm not self-conscious about something hanging off my face. So they look good. They feel good. I feel good. I'm protected. What's not to love about it? Heatwavevisual.com. Get yourself some sick shades. And here's a bonus. If you go there and use the coupon code BCS10, as in Bull City Speed, BCS10, you'll get yourself 10% off your next order with Heatwave. Anything you want on there. Glasses, hats, t-shirts, hoodies, jackets, they got it all. So check those guys out. I fully support them. I appreciate them giving us a coupon code for me to extend to you guys, all the Bull City Speed fan world out there. These guys did not give me a dime. They didn't give me anything for free on this. You know what I mean? I paid for all this out of my own money to check out their stuff. Again, it's something that I like, I care about, and I think is a great product. And it's a fantastic company. So give them a holler and tell them that Ride with Bull City Speed sent them. And I'm out. Peace.